Here one, I'll show you how to remove and install SIM card and memory card into your LG Stylo 4, as you can see right here. So it's really easy. Your SIM card tray is right here on the left side, on the bottom. You want you to use a SIM tray pin. Usually it's in the box, or you can use something thin like this to push it inside, and your SIM tray will pop out, as you can see right here. And now you pull it out. And now install SIM card. The SIM card goes onto this one. It shows which one is the micro nano SIM and which one is the. So the right side is, if you're looking this way, the right side is SIM card, and left side is memory card. They won't fit, so you'll have to. They have different shapes, so you can kind of tell. And now you put the SIM card on top and then slide it in. Easy, and that's how you remove it. It's really easy. Pull it out, and same way for the memory card. You just have to put it on top, and then that's how you remove it. Just push it out and stick it back in. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like and subscribe for more videos. I hope you like this video, and bye bye.